Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please feel free to write to me at walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding to this video or any other videos that I have posted in the past. Please feel free to leave a comment below this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Jackie and her husband used to eat out a great deal. When they eat at home, they usually eat factory-prepared food. And the reason is that they believe that the food that are prepared by other people is much better than the food that they can cook themselves. Now they find out that actually that is not true, because most of the time when they eat out, as well as eat ultra-processed food, they're never quite satisfied with the flavor, because they do not cook it themselves. But they soon realize that they can actually cook food with much better flavor than anybody else to cook for them. They just need to know how to do it. After they adopted my fast cooking system, with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and tempeh-based cooking, they have acquired the skills as well as the environment that will allow them to create the food with the flavor that they love. And using these 4 attributes of the fast cooking system, and now they no longer eat out anymore because they know they can make food much better than anybody else to cook for them, because they know what they like. Now when it comes to flavor of the food, in this video I'd like to demonstrate to you how you can create a flavor that you love and enjoy. And once you understand the nature of flavor, you can start to work toward that direction. Now the fast cooking system is designed for you to achieve that. Instead of using recipe, the fast cooking system will allow you to use template. This will give you maximum possibilities to make adjustment and to make changes as your flavor, the preference change over time. Now, so what is flavor? A flavor actually has 4 distinct characteristics. First and foremost, of course, is taste. And then the second is aroma. And the third is the texture. And last but not the least is the appearance. Now we like food better because we cook them. And the reason we like cooked food better is because when you're cooking food, you enhance the flavor of the food. But there are different ways you can cook food. And the reason that I choose stir frying as the cooking technique for the fast cooking system, because the stir frying will allow you to reach this step. And this is known as the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs in the temperature between 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. During this temperature, molecules on the surface of the food will create tasty molecules. And then, when the temperature goes above and reach 330 degrees Fahrenheit, the sugar on the surface of the molecule will undergo caramelization. That will even give even better flavor. And when it reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the food will be slightly burned, and most people like it when it have that char flavor. Now the first step when you're looking at how you create a flavor that you want is start out with the natural flavor of the food ingredients. The natural flavor of the food ingredients play a very important role. As you can demonstrate here, by using different type of food ingredients, you can create the type of combination that you love. And then, by cooking them, you will also further enhance their flavor. Now, in this case, in a commercial kitchen, it demonstrates that the importance of stir frying, both in create a Maillard reaction, at the same time to raise the temperature so it will cause caramelization and ultimately charring of the food ingredients by using flame. But of course, you don't do that at home, but there's other way to achieve this. Now, the first and foremost, when you want to create the flavor that you want, is to select the food ingredients that will work best. And in this case, having advanced prepping will allow you to pick exactly the food ingredients that you would like. And using this approach, it will provide you with the type of flavor combination that you want. Now, in addition to that, when you cook at home, you can also address the texture of the food ingredients. By having the right texture, will, without any question, will enhance your culinary experience. And this is why the fast cooking system play a such significant role because of the flexibility that's provided to you. Through, first and foremost, advanced prepping, that you have many ingredients to choose from. And secondly, through flavor chasing, you can adjust the flavor by selecting the type of ingredients that you want. And last but not the least, with template-based cooking, you can use a basic template so you can always familiar with how you're going to prepare a dish. The reason that I chose stir-frying as the basic cooking technique for the fast cooking system is because of its flexibility. Now, of course, home cooking is only sustainable if you have the time. And in the modern lifestyle, most people do not have more than 30 minutes to spend in the kitchen. And in order to create the flavor of the food that they love and enjoy, time is essential. Stir-frying able to allow you to take advantage of the speed in the cooking process. Stir-frying in itself is a simple as well as efficient cooking method. The simplicity of stir-frying makes it extremely flexible and adaptable to cook many different types of food ingredients. And this is where advanced prepping really comes into play. Through advanced prepping, you are able to enter into the kitchen and start to cook almost immediately. All you have to do is look for the ingredients that you have in the refrigerator that are already ready to go. But advanced prepping has also another important contribution. It is because with advanced prepping, you have many different ingredients to choose from. So consequently, you can always experiment to find which ingredients will fit best. Now, different ingredients obviously will have different flavor profile. They have different type of texture, different taste. And when you combine them together, you will find the totality is much greater than the sum of each individual part. The holistic approach using this method will allow you to create a complex level of texture. And it's been well known that we love food with complex texture. We love food with interesting flavor. We love food with a variety of textures. This is essential because there is a concept known as nutritional wisdom, which suggests that we automatically like the food that we want to eat because of the nutritional quality that we are looking for. And it is very easy to observe that animals will eat what they like, and what they choose will provide them with the nutritional requirement that they need. We humans actually probably have the same propensity. And this is why eating food that is natural, eating food that is the whole ingredient and fresh plays a significant role because it will allow us to exercise this choice. Eating fast and ultra-processed food, where it is dominated by sweetness as well as by saltiness and sometimes by excessive amount of fat, not only that it is detrimental to our metabolism, but it also do not satisfy us. So using this approach, the flavor can be created by using different combinations of ingredients. And this combination of ingredients will allow you to achieve that nutritional balance. A stir-fry might appear to be simple on the surface, but it's far more complex. You can add sauces to enhance the flavor. But furthermore, you can retrieve those burn and char materials that might stick to the bottom surface of the wok using a method frequently known as degreasing. I call it spot cleaning. They will allow you to remove this and incorporate them back to the flavor of the dish. And by adding different ingredients at different time points, it will also provide you an opportunity to create a combination of flavor. Now, last but not the least, when you come into proteins, it turns out that stir-frying has the flexibility also to create the texture that you want. In this case, the shrimp is coated with a thin layer of cornstarch. This will provide a crispy texture as you fry it gently and lightly. And the end result is that it will greatly enhance the flavor of the dish. So in summary, there are many different ways to create the flavor of the dish, and stir-frying provides the ultimate opportunity with the flexibility, with the adaptability, as with the convenience, you can create many different type of flavors that you might be looking for. Last but not the least, when you put a dish together by using advanced prepping, template-based cooking, as well as flavor chasing, it will allow you to create a visual demonstration of the quality of the dish. As the saying goes, a good-looking dish is always a good-tasting dish, because we eat with our eyes as well as eat with our tongues and nose. And when you look at a dish that is well presented, it will give you a much better feeling for the flavor of the dish. So this is the reason why home cooking is going to be always superior than anybody else can cook for you, because you have the ultimate control to create the type of flavor that you want through the taste, the aroma, the texture, as well as the visual experience. And this is the reason once Jackie adopted the fast cooking system, she and her husband has no reason for them to eat out anymore. I post a video each day because I truly believe that home cooking is probably the best way for you to eat with satisfaction, with health, as well as with social connections. If you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will find the fast cooking system help you to make your home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So keep on cooking, and I will see you tomorrow.